two key phases. There's the sort of research or the mise en place phase, the bit where you're
Sure.
getting together all of the ingredients for the project. And then there's the bit where you sit down and you bang out the code. That first phase, the thing that matters most there is proving to yourself that the thing you want to do is possible. Let's say I want to turn a SVG into a JPEG. Is there a Python library out there that can do that? If there isn't, what other options do I have? All of that kind of thing. I use the chatbot tools a lot to help with that research. Like I will say to them, what are my options for converting a SVG to a JPEG? And just leave it at that. I won't even mention Python, and they'll spit out a bunch of things. It's a limited tool because they only know about stuff that existed up until about a year ago. Most of them are like a year out of date on their training data. But it turns out my taste, if there's a library that's been around for 10 years, one that's been around for 1 year, the 10-year one's going to be better. It's going to be better documented, better tested, all of that kind of stuff. So using them for research like that, 9 times out of 10, they will find me the right thing. And then the great thing about that is then you can say, okay, now write me example code that will use that library to solve this problem. And they might mess that up, hallucinate a method that doesn't exist or whatever. Most of the time, the good models will get that right as well. And so now I've got my prototype and I didn't have to write any code at all. That has fast forwarded me through so much of the work that I need to do. Plus, I can do that research on my phone. I do a lot of work walking my dog.